Hi folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. So this week we're talking about match fishing again, and in particular about a huge carp that I caught in this weekend's match. No, we're not talking about that same 26-pound carp that I caught on the feeder a few weeks ago. This is a whole nother fish, as the Americans would say, and this time I caught it on the pole. So without further ado, let's show you how it all went.
Right, this is the heavy rig. This has got 8-pound main line on, 6-pound hook length, size 12 hook, and 2 bits of sweet corn. It doesn't always work, but you've got to give it a go. I'll try and swing that camera around as well, see if I can show you a bite. Where are we? Not the most elegant thing I've done all day, but what can I do for you guys? Oh, I think I can see it. Oh! I wonder why I couldn't see the float on the camera. It's because it had gone under and there's a great big lump on the end. Told you there was lumps down there, didn't I? Next time, guys, I am not doing this camera thing for you. Right. It's definitely better than them 2 or 3 ounce ones. A good old bend in the old pole, hasn't he? Oh, it's taken off a bit. Just let him tire himself out a bit, I think. He's jagging along to the left there. See if we can... Ooh, makes your arm ache, doesn't he? That's what I need though, isn't it? Something like this. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Alright. I just saw him and he's actually a damn good fish. Ooh, come on. Let's work it up, found some more power. A fair old bit of elastic out. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a nice fish. He doesn't want to know, does he? Come on. And as soon as I get a bit, then he takes them back. That's why I'm using 8-pound main line and a 6-pound bottom. Come on, fish. Come on. Off again. Look at the bend in that pole. This is a yank and bank pole. I gather they're designed to bend like that, so I have actually had one of 26 pounds on it before, and on the same day I had a 21 and a 15, so I know it'll do it. It's just, can it always do it? Oh wow, this guy's pulling back now. I really can't put much more pressure on this. Arm's killing me. Come on, fish. Come on. He's down by the keep net now. Still got some go in him. Ooh. Pulling well there. Arm's killing me. He's heading for those trees now. Well, I don't know how long I've had this on, but it's a while. And he's still pulling back. Wow. Whew. Need a cup of tea after this. Okay. Let's get the net in just in case. I'm not going to scoop at him, I'm just going to let him come over the net. Come on, fish. Ooh, that is a big fish. And just one flick of his tail and he's away again. I hate this point. You'd be gutted if you lost it now, don't think that way. Come on, fish. Come on. Every time. Come on, fish. Yeah, he's definitely getting tired out now, but he's on his last sort of throws. I'm shaking. Oh. Right. This time maybe. Ah, no way. How can you have this much power, fish? Oh, come on. He just keeps going. Whew. Surely he's going to give up soon. Ah. Ah. Wrist killing me, thumb's killing me, and this thing's still going. Come on, fish. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Up this time. Come on. Ah. This is something else, this guy. Right, he must be getting ready by now. Okay, let's see if we can get him anywhere near us. And no, don't turn around that way. You need to turn around this way and don't kick. Right, come on. Don't turn around there. Come on. Ouch. Right, well, he's in the net. Oh. Dear, oh dear. That's another big fish. This time at least I've got the big net to put him in. Oh. Well, I think he's definitely a 20 minimum. Whew. Put this out of the way. Grab one of the other boys and see if we can weigh him. No. Don't want to put him in the keep net, it's too big for that. So I probably won't be able to show you the whole fish, but There we are. Hopefully you can see that well enough. Okay, so I've weighed him in. Just hopefully you can see him. I'm not going to take a chance on him coming out of the net there, but he's just over 9 kilos, which is somewhere around the 20-pound mark, I believe. I'll get him back in the water, make sure he's okay. Right. He's in the water, he's just getting his breath back. Let's get me in there as well. Whew. Just move him out a little bit. Oh, he's fine. That's him off. Well, another good fish. Right. Now all I got to do is find the rest of me landing net. Oh yeah. Whew, good fish though.
So there you go then, folks. Looks like Den got lucky twice in the space of a couple of weeks. I'd like to put it down to superior skill and ability, but maybe not so much, eh? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can. And until the next time, bye for now.